Hello everyone, welcome to our Concord Gardens Diamond Club. We have over 20,000 square feet of amenities sharing within the whole community. Today we're going to tour you through the Diamond Club. Come on in.
Hello everyone, welcome to Concord Gardens Diamond Club upper floor. Here we have swimming pool, steam, sauna, gym, yoga room, party room, and theater.
We're now at the main floor of the Diamond Club. We have gym for basketball and badminton with climbing wall. We also have games room with golf simulator and ping pong table. Last but not the least, we have the bowling alley.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in the Concord Garden project, feel free to contact us by phone or email and we'll book a private showing for you.